Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My dear students, my topic is for class 7, subject is geography. As we know, our topic was human environment, settlement, transport and communication, where we discussed the different type of settlement and different means of transport, where we discussed roadways, waterways and railways. Today we will discuss airways. This is also one means of transport, one of the means of transport, which is airways. Airways. Today, air transportation is one of the fastest and most comfortable but expensive means of transport. It is one of the most comfortable, and fastest means of transport. But it is expensive. एयरवेज इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कंफर्टेबल एंड फास्टेस्ट मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि एयरवेज जो है ये सबसे ज़्यादा आरामदेह और सबसे ज़्यादा तेज़ मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट हैं. जो हम जहाज़ों में सफ़र करते हैं वो जल्दी कहीं भी जाना हो तो जल्दी पहुंचाता है और इजीली हम आरामदेह सफ़र कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ एक्सपेंसिव. It can cross mountains, deserts, oceans, thick forests, etc. This airways is of two types. One is domestic airways and another is international airways. Domestic is that type of airways which fly within the boundaries of a country. लाइक अगर हमें हिंदुस्तान में ही एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना हो, जैसे कश्मीर से जम्मू या जम्मू से दिल्ली, दिल्ली से कोलकाता जाना हो, जो वो टाइप के एयरवेज है वो डोमेस्टिक एयरवेज है, क्योंकि वो विद इन द बाउंड्रीज ऑफ ए कंट्री रन करते हैं. इंटरनेशनल एयरवेज आर दोज टाइप ऑफ एयरवेज विच कनेक्ट मेजर सिटीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. जो फॉरेन भी जो फ्लाइट जाती हैं, जैसे इंडिया से अमेरिका या इंडिया से कहीं और सऊदीया वगैरह, वो इंटरनेशनल एयरवेज में आता है. दिस वाज अबाउट एयरवेज, डोमेस्टिक एयरवेज एंड इंटरनेशनल एयरवेज. नाउ communication. It is the process of sending and receiving messages. ये हमारे टॉपिक में है ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशन. ट्रांसपोर्ट हमने सारा ख़त्म कर दिया, अब हम कम्युनिकेशन पे जाएंगे. कम्युनिकेशन इज़ द प्रोसेस ऑफ सेंडिंग एंड रिसीविंग मैसेजेस. वी नो देयर आर वेरियस means of communication like printing press है, radio, TV, newspaper, etc. On the basis of these means of transport, communication, there are two means of communication, types of communication. One is personal means of communication. Personal means of communication. This involves post, telegraph services, telephones and emails, etc. This personal means of communication involves these types of communications. It involves only interaction between few people. Interaction between few people. Between few people. Second is mass media. Mass media. Or mass communication. Mass media or mass communication. This type involve interaction between various people. Interaction between many people. Many people. It involves radio, magazines, films, newspapers, etc. So there are two means of communication. One is personal means of communication and another is mass means of communication or mass media. This involves interaction between few people. This involves interaction between various people. This involves post, telegraph services, telephone, email, etc. This involves radio, magazines, films, newspapers, etc. This was about communication, transport, etc. Here we completed our chapter, human environment, settlement, transport and communication. Thank you very much.